Industrial uses for radiology. The uses of radiology in the industry are vast. Some of these uses range from x-rays on bridge pillars after they've been hit by a vehicle to checking for degrading parts over the years from the weather. Additionally, radiology is used in the energy fields to find leaks in a pipeline or checking automotive tires for belt overlay and cleanliness of the material. Radiology is used in major construction projects all the way down to those tiny circuit boards and Apple Watches. What if you want to dig a fire pit in your backyard? Well, 811 is the number to call. When they arrive and you explain what you're wanting to do along with the location, then boom, the magic happens. The company brings out a ground penetrating radar machine which utilizes non intrusive or non destructive imaging to determine the location of power and gas lines. The automotive world is one of the biggest industries to put X ray imaging to use. It allows for increased productivity and a major decrease in waste. On the assembly line of parts, a process packer visually inspects the parts before packing. However, some of these cracks may be too small for the naked eye to see, so I guess it's true when they say some things just beat the eye. Where the eyes can just use a visual inspection, an X-ray machine can scan and detect defects in the casting, welding cracks, overlaps, rubber coolant hoses, faults in the solder and the microelectromechanical devices, and fuel injection, just to name a few. In the energy world, to test the quality of welds on pipelines, oil rigs, and windmills, the wire and arc additive manufacturing, aka the WAM test, is used to find flaws. Back in 2017, when this test was still young, it caught 536 defects over the field, which made for quick fixes versus catastrophic failures. This test adheres to International Standards Organization, which is a quality assessment organization that could shut down a work site for not upholding standards. Inside ships or smaller diameter places where the X-ray machines can't fit or reach. The industry utilizes a gamma ray machine because they are smaller and don't require electricity to operate. However, this method is much more dangerous because the machine doesn't turn off. So it's crucial to maintain work safety with this machine, and because of this, special certification is required. Wait, did someone mention training licenses and certifications? 40 hours of safety radiation training from the accepted course is required. Along with the certification, 120 hours of X-ray machine use or a minimum of 200 hours of radioactive materials are required, which gets you the trainee certification. In order to get the radiographer license, those hours must be met again and must be on-the-job training. If you're interested in traveling for a living and x-raying different projects, head on over to Texas Health and Human Services website. Start your training today.